Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Wagwan Tours. We're here in Marmaris still and we're going to get the bus to Icmeler. So let's see. I mean, this is our bus, is it? Where's it going? Shimmy. Let's see. No. I'm behind. So yeah, they get quite a few buses here, but we want the one that says Icmeler. Sabrina would get us on any bus. But we want the Icmeler bus. Oh. It's this one coming up now. There's Icmeler. So we're just here. Where are we? Popeyes over there. Migros. See if he's busy. Busy bus. Right.
2 buses.
Oh, so we just got off that. I'm sweating. That was a hot little bus, that was. But yeah, we're at Icmeler now. Gonna go and get some bargains. We've got best bargains over there. Just have a quick look, see what they got. Sabrina's getting some water. That bus ride was packed. Didn't like sardines. Yeah. But that was really cheap, 40. What is it? 40 lira. 40 lira. But yeah. Let's have a little look what they got in there. There's another famous YouTuber right there. Right, yeah man. The dad loves food there. Sabrina's down there on the football tops.
Oh, we'll get it in the blue.
Is that kid size?
I don't know.
That's kid size.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, that's small down. The big ones, don't they?
That's what I was saying. And then Clara's going to have all out. Perhaps we're going to get a deal. Do you want
Hey, it says children. No, it's children. Just there, Sabrina. My boy's getting harassed. Hey, everybody. But yeah, let's keep going. So yeah, that place looked cheap. I think it was probably the cheapest. 3 football tops for 25, which is obviously cheaper than 3 for 30. I just don't think the quality, when I was looking, the quality didn't look as good as Mr. Cheap. So you got Daisy over there, you got the fountain. You go up there, you get to Umbrella Street up there. We'll be going to Mr. Cheap. Because even though it's cheap, he's still going to give you 25% off, or 20% off, so I think it all adds in at the end of the day. But let me know which one you like the most. Where do you go shopping? Went out last night, went to Bar Street. Oh, God.
feeling it today?
Yeah, we had a lot to drink. Again. Is it this way? I think so. I think it's down there. All the way down. But yeah. Went to Bar Street. Filmed every single place. Tiger. I don't know all the names, but we went into every single one. Tried to have a drink in most, but yeah, it was too much. We couldn't keep drinking. So we just went into them and filmed it. But yeah, it was good enough. You see that sign? That is not today. That was yesterday. So yeah. Grumpy. Hello, mate. Good? Yeah, when we get back, we're just going to have a pool day today. Just doing a quick bit of filming now, and we're going to get back home. So we just want to come out here to get off our clothes. Got a friend's bar across the road. Really friendly. Probably the friendliest bar, if I'm honest. They called me in twice to give me drinks for free, but I had to keep filming. I think you'll see it in one of the vlogs. I had a quick Coke in one. But yeah, in one, I mean, I had one Coke in there and I had to go. And I went to, I think when we was leaving, they called me back again, so we had to go to Marmaris. But, I said to them, no, not today. But yeah, when you cross the roads over here, just be wary. These motherfuckers gonna run you over. So you got Florida restaurant. Morning.
Morning.
You good? Right. Yes, Mr. Cheap. Come. Yeah. That's where you saw the tops that you liked. Oh. I was still 3 for 25 in there as well. Just one there. It's got all of the teams on it. Manchester, everybody. It's okay. It's got water chucked over me. I don't know, you see the sizes on them. What size is large?
Large is here, sir.
Oh, it's there. Okay, thank you. Let's find one. What do we want? What do we want? What do I want? No, we don't want Tottenham.
Oh, aircon, nice. That's a nice top. Oh, it's really thick as well. Feels like better quality than some of the others.
Turkish items, it's all of them.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's nice and thick, that one. Your Louis. Feels nice. Oh, I like that as well. That's a nice one. So you've got like a nice sort of smarter short set. Oh god. I've got something stuck on the bottom of my flip-flop. That's... And then you've got your hoodies. So you've got like your Nike, North Face. Polos, Lacoste. Yeah, really nice. I like this one. The jackets and stuff feel like good quality. And the tops and everything. Oh, he's gone all the way down there. And then you got your YouTube, yeah. Yeah.
it's nice. Say hi, guys.
Hi. Yeah, it's called Wagwan
What's
Tours.
your experience going on? You like Turkey?
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I really like
It's a
it.
lovely country. Yeah, where you came from now?
UK, so Swindon.
Huh?
Swindon, so near Bristol.
Swindon. Bristol?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sounds good.
Yeah.
We would like to help you for best deals. Just choose what you like.
Thank you. Right, Kurt's gone all the way down there, so let's go find him. Yeah, there's shops everywhere. We did some of the shops earlier.
Right, guys, so we just come back from Icmeler and we was at Mr. Cheap. And we got these, paid 140 for 3 hoodies. One's for our daughter, got her bag as well. And then I got 4 t-shirts as well, Armani, Louis Vuitton, all really good quality, and 3 football tops, dirty one here, don't look at that one. Brazil. And this one's like a mishmash, it's got a whole load of teams on it. It's got a load of them. Juventus, Real Madrid. And this, if it tells me on it what teams on it, I can't see it. But yeah, 3 football tops were 3 for 25. So yeah, 140 quid. Bargain, absolute bargain. The larges were a little bit small, so I had to get extra large.